Please subscribe, and you can download this code from description below. Title: Managing Python Versions in Docker, a Guide for Run and Build. Introduction. Docker is a powerful tool for containerizing applications, ensuring consistency across different environments. Python developers often need to manage different Python versions within their Docker containers. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to distinguish between Python versions during the build and run stages in a Dockerfile. Prerequisites. Before you begin, make sure you have Docker installed on your system. You can download it from the official Docker website, https://www.docker.com/get-started. Understanding the basics. Docker allows you to define the base image and build steps in a Dockerfile. During the build process, you specify the base image and execute commands to set up your environment. During the run process, you execute your application. Specifying Python versions in Dockerfile. To manage Python versions during the build, use the from directive in your Dockerfile. For example, to use Python 3.8 as the base image. Differentiating between Docker build and Docker run. During the build stage, Docker executes commands specified in the Dockerfile. To differentiate between build and run stages, you can use conditional statements or environment variables. Building the Docker image. When building the Docker image, pass the desired Python version as a build argument. Running the Docker container. During the run stage, you can check the Python version using the Python version command. Example: Dockerfile with Python version differentiation. Here's a simple example of a Dockerfile that prints the Python version during both build and run stages. Building and running the example. Build the Docker image with a specific Python version. Run the Docker container. Conclusion. Managing different Python versions in Docker is crucial for ensuring compatibility and consistency across different environments. By understanding how to differentiate between build and run stages, you can create Dockerfiles that accommodate various Python versions seamlessly. This tutorial provides a foundation for handling Python versioning in Docker, empowering you to build robust and portable Python applications. ChatGPT.